Like, I mean, this looks really pretty, right? This was looking perfect and still looks really good. Now, these things are not going to die, but they're going to lose the pretty. So I started emptying the shelf and I decided to pick up the camera. I'm going to empty the shelf, add a heat mat, and then put things on the heat mat. I'm going to cut some of these herbs. Now this greenhouse is not heated. And look, I mean, these herbs are looking pretty nice. It's been in the 20s. I'm going to propagate. I'm going to cut. I'm going to propagate. Herbs. Just herbs. I think I might cut those onion tops and put them on the bottom of my basket, though, to bring inside. Might as well while I'm in here. Because it's cold. It's so cold. Every time I go in the house to do whatever I need to do in there, I try to put on a warmer layer than the one I had previously had on. Rosemary. Propagate some. I can take some in the house. Make me and my chickens rosemary tea in the morning. Some of this. Yeah. Let's see if we can get some of this crazy lavender. That would be cool. Do I hear a mouse? But these sticky traps, because I can't get them to go in my other traps, and I'm not feeling good about the sticky traps. I did get one. Semi-hardwood and soft. I think soft cuttings are better in the spring. But this is what I got. I got a tray with dirt in it. I got a heat mat. I got rooting hormone, and they still look like they're alive. I'm not going to go out there and worry about what I can't do. I'm going to do what I can do. I would love it if these things took, because they're so pretty. I mean, I wouldn't be able to use them all as an... I've still got a couple of eyes open, a couple of cells. Three cells. Found a third kind of sage. Okay. Beautiful. Overwatering is the biggest killer. Propagations. But I do have to water it in and keep an eye on it. I'd rather go on the side of dry than go on the side of wet. And patience. You just gotta check on them, but then leave them alone. And not expect anything to happen, because it's going to happen really slowly. Okay, there we go. Excellent. Diamond Frost Euphorbia got rooted. I mean, got planted. It rooted. It's the roots. But it's not fitting nicely on this heat mat. I have everything put away. Should probably take that fruit in and turn the heat off. I don't know how warm it'll stay in here with just the heat mats going, but the heat mats generate a lot less power, or they suck a lot less power. Takes less power to run them, a lot less. So I have gone years without heating this all winter long. I mean, at some point I'll probably turn the heat back on. And I'll have a place to, when I turn the heat back on, I can move these off the heat mat and move my seed trays there, and I have a light. So, whenever I do that. But for now, I mean, it could be off. I'm going to get a Christmas tree for over here. I've got Christmas lights on a timer that come on dusk and dawn for an hour and a half. And then the garden's on solar lights that come on by themselves. So this is only on for a short time, then it's just the garden fence. Alright. I'm going to take these inside. My daughter has been adopting animals this year. Her old dogs have passed away, and first the cats destroyed her plants. Then what was left of them, the puppies decided to destroy. So they're mingling with my overwintering stuff. Turn the camera back on to show you where all those things went that I didn't think would do well in the cold. They may have done well in the cold, but I'm enjoying them here. Have just a few peppers left.